Good evening everyone, this is HB Maverick. We're on the Pacific Crest Trail once again, this time a different location. I just saw a gopher. Another lizard. We're going to visit Eagle Rock today. The cool rock out by itself looks like an eagle. And right now we're in some big scrub oak trees. That's one huge tree there. That's probably a couple 100 years old. Like a couple more huge oak trees. Well, there is a little bit of water in this creek. I didn't know there was any. So if you have your water filter, you can fill up your water, especially for the PCTers that are doing the whole hike. So the first third of today's hike is in these woods that you see here, and then it gets in open plains and it'll be a little bit hotter. When I left it was 81 degrees. We'll probably get up to 83, 84 and go from there. It's pretty nice here though. Got a nice canopy of trees here. Perfect shade. It looks like it'd be shaded pretty much all day. I stopped to take a picture of this rock and out hopped the squirrel. Lots of squirrels and lots of birds. I think I just saw a blue jay. Looks like several trees grew into one here. And we got less trees and more plains and a slight elevation gain. And we'll probably be leaving the shade shortly. Looks kind of hot out there. Looks like a perfect rest stop. Get some more drink. Probably have a snack. And then maybe next stop will be Eagle Rock. Okay, we stopped at the 2.1 mile marker. So let's continue to Eagle Rock. Now there is no trees, no brush, just grasslands. A little shrub. A lot different than just a quarter mile back. Doesn't look like much, but I think that's Eagle Rock from a distance. We'll see when we get closer. Here's my lunch spot, right at the base of Eagle Rock. There's Eagle Rock. We're at the just past 4 miles mark. We're a little bit more than a mile past Eagle Rock, so we'll head back that way, take some video of Eagle Rock. Meanwhile, here's a bunch of pretty scenic here. A lot of scrub oak, other shrubs, trees, saw rabbit earlier. The Eagle Rock hike was a great workout, and I got a couple drone flights in. The total distance for my day was 8.4 miles. On the way back, I saw some PCTers setting up their tents for the night. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next adventure.